Nothing I love more than a good TJ seasonal haul. And this time around, I just picked up some of the greatest looking Christmas items, in my opinion, that I wanted to grab so that when I have my hot cocoa party tonight, I could have a lovely dessert spread out and a little bit of appetizers. So let me share with you guys. Here we go. I picked up this really cute wreath. It has these like little berries in it and some pine cones, and you need to make sure to spray this with some water so that it stays hydrated and it doesn't die on you. And then over here I have these French onion soup bites that I'm going to place on my Rae Dunn holiday dish. And then as for my large decoration tray for appetizers, I'm gonna have out this peppermint bark. Oh man, this looks so good. It's caramel popcorn coated in dark chocolate and enrobed in a white chocolate and peppermint candy coating. Also, the packaging on this is so stinking cute. Then these are my favorites. The minty mallows are light and fluffy peppermint marshmallows darkened in smooth dark chocolate. It's not darkened and smooth, it's drenched in smooth dark chocolate. And these are perfect. I need to stock up on these for year round because I think these are the perfect after dinner snack or dessert. So I definitely suggest you stock up on those. I'm having a hot cocoa bar for tonight, so these are going to be displayed on my hot cocoa bar. And I may put a few out on the dessert tray, appetizer tray, but I don't know yet. Then I have these dark chocolate peppermint JoJo's. These, guys, these are Satan. These are so good. They're so good. They are covered in dark chocolate. They're just their regular peppermint JoJo's, but then drenched in dark chocolate and topped with peppermint candy. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Also, how cute is this little guy? Then we have the all-awaited Jingle Jangle. People, this flies off the shelf, like flies. In here we have dark chocolate covered pretzels, milk chocolate covered I can't say pretzels. Then we have chocolate covered popcorn, and then we have chocolate covered, a lot of chocolate, you guys. We have chocolate covered JoJo's, Reese's Cups, and milk chocolate red candies. It is salty and sweet and absolutely delicious if you love salty and sweet. Then over here to add to my hot cocoa bar for tonight, I got peppermint hot chocolate for anyone else who wants to try this. I love peppermint hot chocolate. They also have salted caramel hot chocolate. I should have picked that up as well, but I just got distracted in Trader Joe's. Who doesn't? There's so much to look at. Over here I have these mini gingerbread cookies with white fudge icing. They are adorable. They have like little characteristic features on them, and then covered in fudge in the back, and they are absolutely delicious. They are hard, so if you don't like hard cookies, these are not the ones for you. Ryan suggests if you do not like hard cookies that they are good if you dip them in milk. So that's a wrap on my Christmas dessert and appetizers that I picked up from Trader Joe's. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to create a tray with these desserts. So I put 2 sleeves of the dark chocolate covered peppermint JoJo cookies. Next I added the popcorn peppermint balls. Then I added the Jingle Jangle. Okay, now that all of my gingerbread men are dispersed, this is the final dessert product. I think it turned out very cute. The Christmas tree is still showing. That's the centerpiece of the tray, the Jingle Jangle. And then over here we have the peppermint bark popcorn. Now my guests can snack on some festive dessert. My friends are here. The dessert and appetizers are ready, and now it's time to grab some cocoa and start playing game night. Bye guys, see you in my next video.
I just know it is. It was for me. It's like, we kind of look alike.
You definitely do. We're having our first hot cocoa night. Woo! Woo! Here's Emma. Hi. Ryan, you got your mug? Alright, and then here's my little snacks.